Only 8 hours of exposure to noise above 85 decibels can cause hearing loss. If your eyesight worsens, it can be cured. But if you lose your hearing ability, you can't recover. You need All Talk. Protect your hearing voice to hear the voice of a loved one for the rest of your life. All Talk is a hearing protection earplug and Bluetooth earphone. All Talk protects your ears in a noisy environment, whether you are talking on the phone or listening to music. All of these are possible.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?
All Talk reduces unnecessary noise while transmitting and amplifying voice. It is safe to communicate using All Talk.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Sound screen technology minimizes ambient noise when talking on the phone and listening to music.
Hey Siri. Call Jade.
The volume is adjusted depending on the noise level. The battery lasts long, so you don't need to charge it often. The ear tips are made of memory foam, which is user-friendly and comfortable. All Talk is a foldable neckband suitable for your ears. Rest your ears. All Talk.